In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see and restore different versions of a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. If you've ever made a change you weren't sure about, or you just want to review who changed what and when, Google Sheets keeps a detailed history you can browse and roll back to. Here's how to do it confidently from start to finish. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so you can access your files. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, click the grid icon, the Google Apps Launcher. It looks like a small 3x3 grid of dots and opens a panel of Google services. From that panel, click Sheets. This takes you to the Google Sheets home, where you'll see your recent spreadsheets. Find and open the spreadsheet you want to review. Give it a moment to load fully so all menu options are available. With your spreadsheet open, look to the menu bar at the top and click File. In that menu, find Version History. This is where Google stores snapshots of your file over time. Select See Version History to open a panel on the right side of your screen. You'll notice versions organized by date and time. Google autosaves frequently, so you'll usually see several checkpoints without needing to do anything manually. To drill down into a particular day or group, click the small drop-down arrow next to it to expand the list. This reveals individual versions within that period. When you select a version from the list, the main sheet area updates to show how the spreadsheet looked at that exact moment. Edits may be color-coded to indicate who made them, which is helpful for collaborative projects. Take a moment to compare the version you're previewing with your current sheet. If it's the one you want to go back to, you can restore it. After you've selected the version you want, confirm the restore when prompted. Your spreadsheet will revert to that snapshot, but don't worry, you can always return to version history again if you change your mind. Restoring creates yet another entry in the history, so nothing is lost. A few quick tips as you work. If you don't see the app's grid, ensure you're on a Google page and signed in. If your file is large, previews may take a second to render. And remember, viewing versions doesn't change your current sheet until you confirm a restore, so feel free to explore safely. That's it. Now you know how to see and restore different versions in Google Sheets.